The reggae artist Ginjah will sing never last anyway. You guys have in trouble, birds, it people.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Hey, Wagwan, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I'm going to talk about a certain amount of videos that have been brought to my attention or I saw. And if you want me to talk about something, or if you want me to tell you what I think about something, you can contact me at the number 18,764,384,200. So first up, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a confrontation or an argument between two persons. So I got the understanding from the video that one of those persons at one point was holding an object. In my point of view, I'm not able to totally identify what that object was, viewing subscribers. However, after one person said certain words to the other person went and picked up or held an object that is believed to be a machete. My people, when I saw that part of the video, I started to think certain things. But take a look at the video for yourself and see what happened. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Me don't tell you any day, any time you go pick up your cutlass and your chopper and your wife.
Well, I wonder if the argument done this, so I hope the argument done this, my people. Walk away from some type of confrontations. I don't know where that video be recorded. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person was being detained by police. The video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. The video shows shoving and pushing between the person who was being detained by police and at least one law enforcer. A part of the video shows when at least one law enforcer pushed the person to a part of a structure. And just to make it very clear, the video shows more than one law enforcers. But I said at least because of how the situation look. I don't have any confirmed information to determine why police detained the person or why police was involved in shoving and pushing with the person viewing subscribers. You can hear persons saying certain words in the video viewing subscribers, the situation look away, but I don't have confirmed information to determine what might have caused that situation. But take a look at the video for yourself. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Silly Amir, why would he need to draw for his hand? Oh, he did.
OMG. OMG. I think I see a law enforcer holding something. I think so. It's set away. It really and truly set away. So me I say, yeah, I'm not sure what the situation might have been about. You see, to make things easier, in my point of view, even though we know that some persons might disagree with what I'm about to say, but they comply. And if you have a complaint to make, you take legal steps. That's for me look at it. But let me know what you think with people about that situation. Then I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, I want to talk about a video that I saw on social media that shows some things that happened during a fight between a group of persons. Now, let me try and explain to the best of my understanding, my people. See, and when we look at this video, that is one of the reasons why I am somewhat scared when it comes on to trying to go in between persons who are fighting. Because sometimes you may never know what might happen or what a person might be thinking. So in the video I saw where one female was looking in the direction of where at least 3 females were at. And some words was being said between a one female that I saw at one spot and a certain amount of females that I saw walking towards the female who was standing at a spot. One female said certain words, and then the other hit that female. And right there, shoving, pushing, and hitting started to happen up to a certain point. Now, there were persons who were trying to de-escalate the situation of your subscribers. Now, in the video, me see where a person hit someone. And I wonder if the person who the person hit was trying to de-escalate the situation. The person who had been hit, who I'm talking about, is a man. And the other person who hit that person, I wonder how that person got involved to reach the point where that person hit that person. My people, it was how I am going to describe it as chaotic in my point of view. You look away. Another part of the video what really surprised me, is that a female who was holding what is believed to be a baby somewhat swing a hand at least one person. No, I'm not, because of how the video was moving and support, I am not totally able at this point to confirm if that person hit anyone. And I'm not totally able to confirm if that person totally got involved up to a certain point when it comes down to the fight. But the person was holding a baby. The female was holding a baby, viewers and subscribers. Well, my people, I'm going to present a piece of the video to you. Because the video shows certain things that's really bad. I mean, even clothes tear off. And certain things exposed. That's how bad that brawl was. So let me present just a piece of the video to you. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Alright, that's so it go all in a certain type of way. Shoving, pushing, pulling, hitting, all different type of things where people clothes get tear off, etc. way. Pop, certain things exposed. Please, to each and every one, talk over your differences in a peaceful way. And as for persons who are trying to do good, blessed are the peacemakers. You understand? Persons who are trying to do good, but be careful when it comes down to trying to go in between persons who are fighting. Be careful. See? So, those are certain words I say about that video there. Let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, in my point of view, sometimes some people can do certain things that can be considered as inconsiderate. See? So, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when Motorist was somewhat upset about something that at least one person had done. Based on certain words that have been said in the video, I think there was some type of blocking which was causing some type of an issue. Look at the video for yourself, people. Oh, viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me. And what would cause a situation like this?
Wait, what's going on here? Look this man. Look this man blocking the road. This man blocking the road. This man blocking the government road. Daddy is a police hour. You can't be blocking for blocking all the way. You pull on the left. But you is a blocking all the way. Daddy, pull on the left, daddy. You is a blocking all the way. What we blocking the road for? I follow you. So let's stand your tongue where dog. Daddy, you get yourself in trouble, bro. It's a people in the traffic busy. Yo, by looking for backing all right, dog, boy. Daddy, jump in your car. Leave it out. You up, dog. You hold him up. People for walk right now, dog. Man, looking for backing all right. I follow you, boy. So there. Open up your door, boy. But you put the follow, right? But pull on the side now, boy. But you put the follow, right?
Well, in my point of view, you know, something like that can cause problem for whosoever might be the cause of the problem. What if you understand what I'm saying? Anyways, who you think was in the wrong when it comes down to that situation, my people? Leave a comment or comments let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to explain to you in my words and how I understand some words that a musician who goes by the name of Khago said about someone. So, in the video that I saw of your subscribers, the musician who goes by the name of Khago said or claimed that the reggae artist who goes by the name of Ginjah back gun by him.
The reggae artist Ginjah was sing never last anyway. Back gun for me last night.
And he said some words that gave me the understanding that he said that he reporting a station. And he talked about what I think him call a rhythm in the video that I saw. So, in my point of view, and based on some words that the musician Khago said in the video, he said or claimed Gaddafi, who I assume is a person, based on how he was talking in the video, call him and beg him, please, if he have a next rhythm, give him, make him voice him artist. He also said some more words in the video that made me assume and also came to the conclusion that he was talking to someone and also asked the person, who are your artists? And based on context or based on how Khago was talking, I got the understanding that he, Khago, said or claimed that the person said Ginjah. So based on some words that he said in the video of your subscribers, it seems as if he said that he said to the person, you have the rhythm, vice on the rhythm, but don't, in my point of view, leak the rhythm. So me ask some of your subscribers. So he said some more words that gave me the understanding that he said or claimed that in a 2 days time, Ginjah vice on the rhythm and plus time rhythm all over on social media. Now, viewing subscribers, let me make sure I say these words carefully. I am only explaining to you in my words and how I understand some words that Khago said in a video that I saw, viewers and subscribers. Anyways, I also saw a video where Ginjah was saying certain words as well, viewers and subscribers, you know, but I only hope that everybody can talk about the differences and just avoid certain things. So I say it's set away, but That's the understanding we get. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall Skilla.